Hi everybody, it's Danielle from Haverford Township Free Library and welcome to this week's Books and Babies. If you haven't come into the library yet to sign up for Books and Babies Live, you should do that. And I'll tell you why. Because it's a really cool program starring yours truly doing a live Books and Babies story time on Zoom every other Wednesday during the summer. And when you sign up for Books and Babies Live, you will get a Storytime Anytime Kit, which includes fun things to do during the story time, like a scarf and a shaker egg and some jingle bells and some rhythm sticks and a song sheet so you can join in each week. So if you have your Storytime Anytime Kit already, you're gonna need your scarf and your shaker egg for today's story time, because we're going to do a lot with those. We're gonna read a book and we're gonna sing a silly song. So to start, we are gonna read a narwhal and jelly board book called Blanky. And this is by Ben Clanton. And look, the narwhal has got a big blankie there. You are gonna use your scarf for the blankie. Ready? Wow, narwhal! That is a big blankie. Ahoy, Jelly! It sure is, but it's not just a blankie. It's a hanky. Achoo! A tissue? Ew. I mean, bless you. How about a hat? Can you make your scarf into a hat? Oh, he's got a real pointy hat there. Can you make your scarf into a hat? A hat? I'm not sure about that. And a stick will do the trick to make it a flag. Can you wave your scarf like a flag? You can use one of your rhythm sticks too and wrap it around and then wave it like a flag. Or perhaps it's a bag, the perfect pack for a sweet snack. Let's see if we can take our scarf blankie and make it into a bag. Let's see if we take the two ends here, and we take this end here, and we take this end here, and let's see, can we use it to hold our shaker egg? Yep, look, now it's a bag. Let's see what else. This is fun. What else can be done? What else can we do with our scarf blankie? It can be a picnic spot. Oh, you can lay it out on the floor or the table. I like this idea a waffle lot. Get it? Because they're eating waffles. A waffle lot. I can wear it as a cape. That cape is super great. You can take your scarf, wave it behind you, and wear it like a cape, run around like a superhero. Or as a dress. Yes, this blankie is the best. Can you use your scarf like a dress? Can you wrap it around? Wrap it around you like a dress? Let's see. No, I can't. You can't see me. You can't see me in the camera, but you can wear it like a dress. And what I like about it most is that you can dress up like a ghost. How can you use your scarf blankie to dress up like a ghost? Can you put it over like this there? Ooh, and be a ghost? Is that this blankie is big enough for two. So I can cozy up with you. Aw, look, you can use your scarf blankie to cozy up with somebody else. Oh, it's hard to do this with one hand. Yeah, hold the book. The end. That was Blanky, a narwhal and jelly board book by Ben Clanton. So many things that you can do with your scarf from your Storytime Anytime Kit. Next time we meet up, maybe you can tell me some more ideas of what you did with your Storytime scarf. Other things that you can make out of it. Now, we're gonna sing a silly song with our shaker eggs. Get your shaker egg out, give it a good shake. We wanna make sure it works. Does it work? You hear the shaking? All right, we're gonna sing a silly underwear song inspired by the blankie scarf. So, this is Underwear is Fun to Wear. So, make sure you shake along with me. Oh, underwear is fun to wear. I wear them every day. Underwear is fun to wear, no matter what you say. You should always wear your undies, no matter what, 'cause you always need something covering your butt. So, underwear is fun to wear. I wear them every day. Underwear is fun to wear, no matter what you say. Hey, hey, hey! Underwear is fun to wear, no matter what you say. Underwear is fun to wear. I wear them every day. I can't tell you why the blankie made me think of the underwear song, but maybe because we were using it for different things, like for different wearing, like hats and blankets and scarves and things like that. It made me think of the underwear song. And I thought the underwear song was a good shaky egg song. So if you don't have your Storytime Anytime Kit, come into the library to sign up for Books and Babies Live, and we'll happily give you one. So let's finish up our Books and Babies with our goodbye song. We learned a little bit of sign language last week when we did the More We Get Together. So we know more and we know happy. So do more and do happy. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Good job, guys. Stick with me on that one because we're going to be learning more signs in that song, and maybe we'll be able to sign the entire song one day. Yeah, I think that would be pretty cool. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.